Alright gang, welcome to our very first episode of Sledge Brothers. What we're going to destroy today here, go ahead and show them. This is our first item of destruction. Gallon of milk. And we'll give you a good shot, give you a couple angles on this. We got a couple of cameras here.
Zooms right in on it, so you're going to see it explode. Bam, right on it. Right on there.
And why are we doing this? If you're not familiar, we're doing this. 25% of everything we earn goes to feeding hungry children, so we must sledge. Let's do it.
Let's.
Bam! Go!
Baby, the green monster made it! Woo! Alright, so we saw our first destruction of these gallons of milk. We did a few. You can kind of see some of the damage here that was done to the actual carton. That one I think got obliterated pretty good. That one kind of got obliterated the best. Just smushed in, just cracked that right down the side, and just milk got all over our feet and everything. So kind of picked a gallon of milk to do first because it's not something you would ordinarily pick to do with a sledgehammer, kind of unconventional. But very cool to see just crack and explode. So, and if you guys have any cool ideas of things to hit with a sledgehammer, write them down on the comments page on the YouTube channel here. And you know, we may take some of those considerations and make videos of hitting and destructing some of those things. So, appreciate you watching the Sledge Brothers. Hope you enjoyed this first carton of milk episode of the Sledge Brothers. Thank you.